Okay, we're just going to throw a couple baskets together here. These are just demo baskets. They're not ones to be trading. As you notice, we just started up here, so we're getting the 5-minute wait. Now, one thing I wanted to say that I probably didn't mention before is remember the currency strengths, one going up, one going down, and you want one to be above zero and one below zero. And remember in previous videos, I'd always said that I like to pick them if they had a strength number of 80 or greater. Now, with the new alerts over here, you can pick ones that are lower because now you know what's going on. Like if you pick one down here like the Aussie Canadian dollar, it only reads 13, but what this is telling you is the Aussie is above the zero line and the Canadian dollar is below the zero line, which is a good thing. And now we're going to have to wait our 5 minutes and see when our background color comes up. When our background color comes up, that will tell us if it's moving in the proper direction. So if the Aussie Canadian dollar happens to be moving, getting stronger, that pair in that direction, in the long direction, we should get a green background here. And what's that telling us right now? It's got a 13. What that's telling us is the separation between the two is getting greater. And that's what you want. It's either getting greater or it's remaining the same. But it is not getting less. If you want to, like over here, you do not want it to be less. The background will not light up when these are going down like this, or this one's going up, where this space between them here, this number, which is this number right here, will be getting less. So let's wait our 5 minutes and we'll see which ones light up over there. And as you notice, we always have the magic 8 ball. He does happen to be lit up. That's because it meets our criteria. And remember, our criteria is a minimum of at least 5 pair that meet the criteria of the magic 8 ball. So we can always take a look at that, see which pairs are making that up here. But for now, let's just wait 5 minutes and get this thing past its wait period here. Okay, the wait has passed, 5 minutes have passed, and you see now we do have 3 Aussies lit up here. And if you look down here, you get the Aussie dollar, you got the Aussie here, the dollar there, got the Aussie Swiss, you got the Aussie New Zealand, and the Aussie CAD. As you can see, there's not a lot of spread between them yet. All this is telling you that they're possibly getting stronger in that direction. So what we can do is let's write a basket with them. Those 4. And we'll just leave the test 4, we'll call it test 4, and we're going to do a 1 hour, 60 minute. And we'll take a look at it and see what it looks like. And you notice we got 4 down here also lit up, so we could even look at those eventually. Clear all tabs. Let's go see if we can find our offline chart. And there it is. And that's what that one looks like. Okay, let's see what you could even throw these on there just to have a quick look if you want to. So that's that one. Now I know a lot of you like to trade the yen pair, so let's just build a basket to watch once. Let's just put all 7 yen pair in it and see what it looks like. Sure to clear out all tabs just in case there's something remaining in the queue. And we'll go down and select all. Let's just select all 7 yen. Just for the heck of it and see what it looks like. And this should come up as test 7. We haven't used test 7, so it should be okay. And there are the 7 yen. And there it is. And there's our yen basket. And we'll throw our ET14 on here so we know which pairs we're looking at. This one we can leave the magic number alone. I haven't added it on the other chart yet, so we can leave that alone for now. This way we know what we're looking at. We're looking at the 7 yen pair. And if you want, you can throw this on there. Okay, so that's the yen 7 pair basket. It gives you something to watch. Now we go back to this other one, and there's one other thing you can do here if you want to. If you think it's going to continue on up, as you notice we've been in a long downtrend over here, and maybe we're starting back up. If you want to look for a breakout, you can also do that. Let's put the BT on here. I think I got to change this because the other one has gotten a number on it already. Change this to 0.1. And at least we know which pairs we're looking at. And in this case, if we think maybe it's going to break up to the upside and move on up here to this resistance, you could always use the breakout lines. And in our case, if you think it's only going to go long, what we can do is just get rid of this bottom one don't need it. And we can just use this one here to look out for a breakout to the long side. It's entirely up to you just where you want to put this. Put it like that, or this would be a safe. There, now if this closes above that line, it will go long. And to be on the safe side, you probably want to put a, all we're looking for is a long, so let's turn the short off so it won't even attempt anything in the short direction. And let's put a stop loss on it. And let's put the stop loss right there. And that could even be a little far off. Let's move it up. Remember, this is just practice. Put it right there and turn it into a trailing stop so it'll trail. And then we can also add a take profit line if we want to, if we think it's going to go up here. And just for the heck of it, we'll put it right there. Don't have to put it all the way up there. Yeah, we'll just watch it and see what happens. This is just practice. Remember to see what's going to happen here. Okay, then we just got to turn on the old start button and let him run and see what happens. Okay, notice we do have the Magic 8 Ball lit up. If you click on him, and notice he pops up with 6 pairs. So just for the heck of it, why don't we make a 6-pair basket? See what it looks like. We don't have any other ones with that number yet, so I can just leave the name as test for now. And we will write that. And there are 6 pair. And this will be test 6. This is just for looks. See what it looks like. You never know what some of these are going to look like. Cut out tabs. See if he's written yet. 6. There he is. And template plain. Refresh. And put my line chart on there. And that's what that one looks like. And just for the heck of it, we throw this on there just for a quick look. I see nothing down below. And if you want to throw this on there, you can throw this on there. And we'll throw the basket trader on there. Remember to change this number. Just so we know what pairs are in the basket. And there are 6. Remember, this was made from the Magic 8 Ball. Don't really see anything right now to trade, You want to watch this to see if it rolls over a little bit and comes back down, and then it decides to take off again. That may be the point where you want to jump on it.